Like a glove. We have the plenums, the two boxes, metal boxes that are going to be connecting the exhaust of the spray booth. The exhaust is already in place, but it was hitting the window. The window had to be removed, the actual glass with the frame, in order to put the plenum box on. The way these windows are built, they're meant to be demolished when you need to take them out, so you cannot salvage them. But I found a way to remove them without damaging them. So cutting the bolts that were securing them in place and the insulation that's all the way around. And I was able to remove them intact. So if we ever want to put them back, for whatever reason, I have the windows. They're not scrapped. But in order to go there, and knowing that the window is very heavy, I needed something that would support me and the window. Just the ladder wouldn't do it. So I got the ladder just to go upstairs and check, see how I should do the removal. But then I had to build that, I call it a bird cage, so that I can climb on it, be able to work on the window securely, and be able to pull it down using the railing that I made for it. As you can see, I had to do a railing as well. I'm about 30 feet in the air when I'm there. I wouldn't want to be just on a platform without a railing. But then that railing proved extremely useful to slide the window from its opening onto the forklift. And yeah, it's one of those things where in order to do something, you have to do something else. So a project requires another project. The removal of the window the second one took me about an hour to take off, but the cage took me 4 or 5 hours to build. So again, it's one of those things where you need to work or make a project, complete a project in order to be able to do the other project. All right, so what is this thing again? So this is a plenum, and it's going to be installed in the openings where the windows used to be. And the exhaust of the spray equipment, in this case it's going to be the chair flat, that's the first one that's going to be installed, goes in the first opening, and then we're going to have openings for the future. We're going to have for the second chair flat, we're going to have most likely for fresh air intake, 24-inch opening. And then the second plenum is for the second window that we removed, and that again is going to be for the paint booths that are going to be installed in the future. The idea is to be able to have exhaust out of the space, and then to be able to bring fresh air to replenish whatever has been exhausted. We need to have air circulation, basically. All of this is in preparation for future growth of the shop. If I need to do something on the roof, like on the ceiling, or if I want to work and we're gonna do some really cool Texas signs and we're gonna attach them onto the walls, I'm gonna have to go and put like anchors or supports on the wall. Lift with the forklift, just go, put the support, I'm safe, I'm railing, I just clear here, so nobody taller than me is allowed here.